Good morning, everyone. Our topic for today is Lesson 3-9 Multiply by one digit numbers. You will find this lesson on page 143 up to page 146 from your book. Here is the objective for today's lesson. You're going to use the standard algorithm to multiply 2, 3, and 4-digit numbers by one digit number. Then estimate to check if answers are reasonable. Let's have a quick review. 524 multiplied by 6, so 524 is what we call the multiplicand, and 6 is what we call the multiplier. And 524 and 6 are what we call the factors. And the answer is what we call the product. Our focus for today is we're going to discuss the solve and share and essential questions, the guided and independent practice, and the mathematical practices and problem solving. Let's analyze the problem from solve and share and essential question. A cineplex contains 4 movie theaters, and each theater can seat 312 people. How many people can the cineplex seat? Solve this problem using any strategy you use. Solve this problem using any strategy you choose. So let's identify Gabriel's work. As you can see here, Gabriel uses the standard algorithm by multiplying starting from the ones place followed by the tens and the hundreds place. So 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, and 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. And the answer is 1248. But for Michael's work, 312 multiplied by 4, he just simply find the value of each digit. So the value of 3 is 300, the value of 1 is 10, and the value of 2 is 2. Then after that, Michael multiplied 4 into 2. So 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Then 4 multiplied by 10 is 40. Then 4 multiplied by 300 is 1200. Then after that, he added all the partial products, 8 plus 40 plus 1200, and he got the same answer, which is 1248. So what are the steps to record multiplication? So paying the pothole damage to cars can be costly. The table shows the cost of some car repairs. Use the table to answer each question. And an estimation can help you check if your answer is reasonable. So as you can see, we have 3 items here. We have the shock absorber, cost $69 each. The tires, $135 each, and the paint, which is $1,450 per coat. So what are we going to do? We just simply multiply, or to find the cost of the 3 new shock absorbers, we need to estimate first to find out if our answer is reasonable at the end. So 3 multiplied by $69 because each shock absorber costs $69. Then I'm going to round 69, that is nearest to 70. So 3 multiplied by 70 is 210. 210 is my estimated answer. Now, how to find the exact one? 69 multiplied by 3 using the standard algorithm. 3 multiplied by 9 is 27, so 7 regroup 2. Then 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20, so the final answer or the exact answer is 207. If I'm going to compare my exact answer to the estimated answer, it is close to each other. Therefore, my answer is reasonable. The same thing if I'm going to find out the cost of the 4 new tires, and each tire costs $135. So I'm going to estimate first. 4 multiplied by 100. 135 is nearest to 100. So 4 multiplied by 100 is 400. Then to find out the exact one, 4 multiplied by 5 is 20, so 0, regroup 2. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 plus 2 is 14, so 4, regroup 1. And 4 multiplied by 1 is 4 plus 1, so my answer or the exact answer is 540 for the 4 new tires. And 540 is nearest to 400, which is my estimated answer. Therefore, the answer is reasonable. Next, the cost of 2 coats of paint. So each paint costs 1,450. So to find out the cost for the 2, so 2 multiplied by 140. If I'm going to estimate, 1,450 is nearest to 1,500. So 2 multiplied by 1,500. So my estimated answer now is 3,000. If I'm going to find out the exact one, 1,450 multiplied by 2. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10, so 0 regroup 1. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Then 2 times 1 is 2. So 2,900 is my exact answer. And 2,900 is nearest to estimated answer, which is 3,000. Therefore, the answer is reasonable. Find each product at the right. Does the multiplication process change as the value of one factor increases? Okay, so if we're going to multiply 21 times 4, that is 4, then 8. Because 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, so 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, regroup 1. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 1 is 17. So, as you can see, from 84, 1,284, and 17,284, it means as the number of the places to multiply increases, the number of steps in the multiplication process also increases. So, the actual multiplication process stays the same. Let's proceed to the guided practice and the independent practice. Number 1. A road repair crew can usually fix 825 potholes each week. So how many potholes can they fix in 6 weeks? So we just simply multiply 825 multiplied by 6. 6 times 5 is 30, regroup 3. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 3 is 15, regroup 1. 8 multiplied by 6 is 48 plus 1. So the answer is 4,950 potholes. Number 2. A tire shop sells 3 tires that cost 175 each, which include a 4th tire for free. Is this more or less expensive than buying 4 tires that cost 135 each? So we just simply multiply 175 multiplied by 3, that is 15, regroup 1. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 1 is 22, regroup 2. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. So the 3 tires that cost 175 is equivalent to $525 plus the 4th tire is for free. But the other one is 135 for 4 tires. So 20, regroup 2. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2 is 14, regroup 1. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 540. So, is this more or less expensive than buying the 4 cars, which is $540? So the answer is less expensive because 525 is less than 540. Number 3. 6 times 4, 24, regroup 2. Then 6 times 7 is 42 plus 2 is 44. So the answer is 444. Those students who don't know how to multiply using the standard algorithm, you can use the expanded. It means this becomes 70, this becomes 4, then 6 times 4 is 24, then 6 times 70 is 420, then add, this becomes 444. It's the same. Okay, so let's proceed to number 4. 5 times 9 is 45, regroup 4. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4 is 9. Then 5 times 8 is 40, so the answer is 4,095. Next, 309 multiplied by 4. So 4 multiplied by 9 is 36. So 6 regroup 3. 4 times 0 is 0 plus 3 is 3. Then 4 times 3 is 12. So the answer is 1,236. Next, 6 times 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. Regroup 1. 3 multiplied by 7 is 21 plus 1 is 22. 2 regroup 2. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. So the answer is 525. Next, 8 times 8 is 64. Regroup 6. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 6 is 14. Regroup 1. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 1. So the answer is 1,744. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 4 regroup 2. 6 times 7 is 42 plus 2 is 44. Regroup 4. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 4 is 10. So the answer is 10,446. 9 times 7 is 63. Regroup 6. 2 times 7 or 7 times 2 is 14 plus 6 is 20. So the answer is 203. Then 1 times 9 is 9. 6 times 9 is 54. So 4 regroup 5. 9 times 4 is 36 plus 5 is 41. Regroup 4. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 4 is 13. So the answer is 13,149. Now it's your turn. Please pause the video and answer the given questions. Time is up. The answer for number 11 is 462, number 12, 415, number 13, 248, number 14, 623, number 15, 735, number 16, 2,862, number 17, 1,472, number 18, 2,512, number 17, number 19 rather, number 19, 17,388. Number 20, 16,296. Number 21, 9,009. Number 22, 5,826. 23, 11,595. 24, 7,335. 25, 19,242. And 26, 48,745. Now, let's answer the mathematical practices and problem solving. Maura's dance team wants to buy costumes that cost $56 each. They have $523 saved in a fund. How much money will they have left in the fund after they buy 9 costumes? So what we're going to do is we need to multiply 56 multiplied by 9. So 9 multiplied by 6 is 54, regroup 5. 9 times 5 is 45 plus 5 is 50. So in order to find out how much money will they have left in the fund, so we need to subtract 523, which is their savings, subtract by 504. So 3 minus 4 cannot be, this becomes 1 and this becomes 13. 13 minus 4 is 9 and 1 minus 0 is 1. That's why the answer is $19 left. Number 28. Elaine rents a car for 5 days. It costs $44 each day to rent a car and $7 each day for insurance. At the end of the trip, he spends $35 to fill the car with gas. What is the total cost for Elaine to use the car? So for 5 days, it costs 44 each day. It means 44 multiplied by 5, which is 20. Regroup 2, so 220. Elaine needs to pay 220 for 5 days. But aside from that, she needs to pay $7 each day. So 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. That is for the rent of the car. Insurance. So 35, we need to add 35 here. Then aside from that, At the end of the trip, she spends $35 to fill the car with gas. So another $35 for the gas. So we need to add, this becomes 10 to group 1. So 3, 6, 8, 9, and we have 2. So the total cost is equivalent to $290. At the math club ceremony, there were 17 tables with 8 people seated at each table. Each guest received 2 certificates. How many certificates were distributed at the ceremony? So we just simply multiply 17 multiplied by 8 in order to find out how many people attended. So 8 multiplied by 7 is 56, so 6 for group 5. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 5 is 13. So there are 136 people seated on the table. If each person received 2 certificates, how many certificates were distributed? So we just simply multiply the answer into 2. So 6 multiplied by 2 is 12 for group 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Then 2 times 1 is 2. So the total number of certificates are 272. Water erupting from geysers can reach a temperature of 244 degrees Fahrenheit, and the average temperature in Yellowstone National Park is 35 degrees Fahrenheit. Use compensation to calculate the difference between these two temperatures. So difference means we're going to subtract. So you're going to add 1 to 244 to make it 245 if we're going to apply the compensation method. Then subtract 245 minus 35 to make it easy. That is equivalent to 210. So subtract 1 again to compensate for the 1 that was added. So 210 minus 1, so 209. So 244 minus 35 is 209. Number 31. On Monday, Paulo sold 21 tickets to the dance. On Tuesday, he sold 3 times as many tickets as he sold on Monday. On Wednesday, he sold twice as many tickets as he sold on Tuesday. So how many total tickets did Paulo sell in 3 days? So on Monday, 21. That was Monday. Tuesday is 3 times as Monday. So it means Tuesday is 21 multiplied by 3. And 21 multiplied by 3 is 63. So that was Tuesday. Wednesday, he sold twice as many tickets as he sold on Tuesday. So Tuesday is 63 and it is twice. So 63 multiplied by 2. And that is equivalent to 6, then 12. So 126. So what is the total? You just simply add 126 plus 63 plus 21. So 126 plus 63 plus 21. This becomes 10, regroup 1. 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, regroup 1. And 2. So the answer is 210 tickets. Mr. Tan would like to buy a new sofa that costs $934. He can pay the total all at once, or he can make a $125 payment each month for 8 months. So which plan costs less? Explain. So we need to multiply 125 multiplied by 8. So 125 multiplied by 8 is 40, regroup 4. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 4 is 20, regroup 2. So 8 times 1 is 8 plus 2 is 1,000. So, which plan costs less? Less to pay is the total all at once because it is only $934. Okay, so it costs 1,000 for the monthly plan. So which costs $66 more than paying for the sofa all at once. Okay. So that's the answer. So that's it. Thank you so much and have a nice day.